Welcome everyone, my name is Joy of Joy Morris Beauty, and today I'm going to be sharing a few of my favorite nude Anastasia Beverly Hills lip glosses, so stay tuned. So one of my favorite lip gloss or brands that I like to go to for lip gloss is Anastasia Beverly Hills. And if you haven't tried their lip gloss, I hope after watching this video that I have inspired you to check them out. They are wonderful. They are very pigmented. They're not sticky. They coat the lips, and they actually, I have been able to get the lip gloss to last in some sort of measure on my face throughout most of the day. Sometimes I will apply it in the middle of the day, but I like having my lips have that like a really nice moist look. That's a look that I really like. So I'm gonna try for you 3 of my favorite nude shades. I really like nude pinks. That's something that I really like. So these are similar but different. As you can see, I'll try each of them on for you today, and maybe you can figure out one of them that you might like. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I like to use the NYX pencil in the color brown. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips for you. Quick, super quick, you don't have to do a whole lot of work. And I'm going to start with the lightest one. This is Vintage, which is kind of like a lighter nude pink in comparison with the other ones. And I am almost out of this. I'm going to have to pick up some more. So I like to just line the inner part of my lips first. And then sometimes if I still have a lot of product left, I will kind of clean the brush off and then go over the rest of my lips. The next one I'm going to try for you is Caramel. Caramel is a little darker than Vintage, as you can see. It's a little warmer too. It's a little, I guess, kind of almost like coral. It looks a little coral in comparison with Vintage. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that one. This one's almost gone too. I need a, you can see already it's a little darker and a little warmer. Sometimes if I get too much lip gloss on my outer edges, because that doesn't look really nice, I'll just take my finger and get some of it off. Okay, so this last one is Tara. It's a little more brown than mauve. But I like this one when I want a little bit of a darker lip. So again, the 3 of them together, you can see how Tara is a little bit more towards like a brown. So pretty. And these are so comfortable on your lips. They almost make your lips feel moisturized. I wear these a lot. So those are 3 of my favorite mauve nude lip glosses from the Anastasia Beverly Hills brand. I hope you enjoy checking those out, and go pick them up if you like them. And I hope you like this video. Please take some time to like the video, leave a comment underneath the video. I will respond to comments. I love chatting back and forth. And please also make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm growing my channel and posting new content on a regular basis, so stay tuned